A new function we added to Hypertask is the G then D view, which gives you essentially an overview of all your overdue tasks in this particular project. And the way it works, it shows the overdue tasks on top, and then below that, the upcoming tasks. GG jumps to top, Shift G, G to the bottom, as always. You can jump between projects with a tab key. And my view is a bit ridiculous because I have a lot of overdue tasks. I should have really cleaned them out. Yeah, and you access this with G then D. And remember, you can always review the keyboard shortcuts with the question mark key. You just type Go in this keyboard shortcut search, and it will give you all the go-to views, right? And the new one we added is obviously the due date task view with the G then D, but we previously obviously already had the G then I for the inbox. And one that's incredibly useful actually is G then A, which is basically all tasks sorted by recency. Go to all tasks, G then A. I use this a lot, especially if you go back and forth between a lot of projects and you lose a task. If it's not in the inbox anymore, you would have to search it. But G then A actually just shows you the task you just worked on. It's an incredibly useful function. But yeah, the new one is G then D, which gives you this view. Yeah, also remember, due date tasks also show up in the inbox with a red dot as soon as they're overdue. And of course, you can also create a view if you wanted with only overdue tasks. Let me show you how that would work. So I'm going to use G then V to switch the view back to the default board. And then from here, I'm going to do Shift F for filter, and I'm going to do due date. And then I'm just going to say last 7 days. And I'm going to get a view here that only shows me tasks with due dates in the last 7 days. I can then save this with Shift V. And I'm going to just add this as a new view to the team. Let me call this tasks due last 7 days. Gonna press enter. So now you see it says here task due last 7 days. We're in the Hypertask product board, and I can easily switch between those views with the G then V key, allowing me to jump back between the big board and my due date tasks. Incredibly useful, but yeah, G then D view obviously also very helpful if you just want to see quickly what's due today.